In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Logilda.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing we have to check is the system type of our Windows 11. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match and take note of your system type and simply open a browser, any of the browser that you have, and then search for the missing DLL. Just put download and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download button corresponding to your system type. Wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load. Then right click on the folder. Select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. And go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder, double click. Locate the System32 folder, double click, right click and then select paste. Now once done, close all the windows, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Consider to also update your Windows. So click on the start button and then you have to go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to download and install the updates for your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.